Hey everybody, it's Kate from Darn Good Yarn here, and I'm here just to talk about the differences between knitting and crochet. I don't really like to use the words, better, prettier, but there are definitely pros and cons and differences between knitting and crochet. So let's talk about some knitting. So knitting, if you don't know, knitting is where you use 2 or more needles to work yarn or fiber together. So knitting is a little bit more seamless than crochet. It's a little softer. And it's really, really great to use with soft yarn. Knitting can also be made by machines, and knitting sometimes uses less yarn per row than crochet. Of course, this depends on the type of stitch that you're using. For crochet, you're only really using 1 hook. It can be rigid and pixelated, but you cannot machine make crochet. You can machine knit, you cannot machine crochet. For me, I think that crochet is really better for adding texture and accents to your piece, and I've found that crochet pieces you do usually work up faster than knit, but that may be I'm just a better crocheter and a junky knitter. Again, both of these 2 different art forms have pros and cons. There's really no 2 that look the same, so here's a crochet piece, here's a knitting piece. They're both pretty and good in their own way, but they've made 2 very different art forms. So yeah, that's what's up between the difference of knitting and crochet. If you want to learn more, you should check out the blog written by my buddy Jordan. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye!